Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy trade right here on Phemex. So if you want to copy trade, we are now here at the spot trading option. And if you want to copy trade, we go to futures and then right here we go to copy trade. Then right now you will find right here some traders. You can also go a little bit down and search for some traders. But let's say we want to follow this Maximo because this is a very good ROI in the last 30 days. Then we click right here on copy now. Then it will send us right here to the page where we can enter right here for how much we want to invest. So fill that in right there. And then you click right here on I have read and agreed the copy trading services. And then you do copy now. But right now I don't have any money standing on my account. So when you're having money on your account, just fill in right here for how much money you want to step in. And then click right here on copy now. But before doing this, please do your own research. And it's always with a risk because someone is managing your money. So be careful with copy trading. So this is how you can copy trade right here in Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.